corvids are among the most intelligent birds on Earth. To test just how intelligent they really are, we built a simple vending machine. The balcony quickly becomes a familiar feeding spot. Jackdaws begin visiting throughout the day. Some arrive cautiously, others confidently. At first, the machine simply dispenses peanuts every so often. No action is required. The goal is simple: create trust. Then a newcomer appears, a magpie, another member of the remarkably intelligent corvid family. It quickly discovers the scattered peanuts hidden among the litter. Different species, the same curiosity. The machine has now become part of their daily routine. During one visit, something unexpected happens. A jackdaw begins rummaging through the pile of cigarette filters and bottle caps, searching, perhaps, for another hidden peanut. By pure coincidence, one small object slips into the hole. Click! A peanut drops into the tray. The bird immediately rushes toward the reward. At this point, it has absolutely no idea why, but an important association has just begun. Another visitor arrives, a Eurasian jay. Soon the jackdaws return. They begin searching more actively through the litter. Nothing looks deliberate yet. Bottle caps fly one way. Cigarette filters another. Some objects even disappear over the edge of the balcony altogether. It's organized chaos, or perhaps chaos with potential. Every now and then, something accidentally drops into the opening. The machine responds, peanut delivered, reward received, again and again. Without realizing it, the birds are being shaped by trial and error. Objects fall into the hole. Good things happen. Some days a peanut is already waiting inside the tray. An easy meal. No work required. But slowly, very slowly, a pattern begins to emerge. Instead of waiting passively, they start rummaging almost immediately after landing. Searching, moving objects, turning litter over with their bills. Bottle caps, filters, small pieces of plastic. The exact object doesn't seem to matter. Only the behavior does. The birds don't yet understand the mechanism. But they do understand one thing. Interacting with the litter somehow increases the chances of getting another peanut. For highly intelligent animals, that is often enough. The birds begin paying attention to the hole itself. It is no longer just part of the platform. It has become interesting. Their aim remains imperfect. Many objects miss completely. Some bounce away. Others roll across the platform. A cigarette filter drops perfectly inside. Click. Reward. Now the hole has meaning. The birds continue experimenting. Throw something. Watch. Listen. Wait. Sometimes nothing happens. The same jackdaw returned. It seems to remember. Wasn't there something about dropping objects near that hole? Another attempt. A bottle cap lands inside. Excellent. The bird immediately walks to the food tray. Nothing. No peanut. The dispenser has jammed. Not ideal for teaching. Learning depends on consistency. Yet the bird doesn't give up. Another attempt. Even mechanical failures cannot completely erase the pattern that is beginning to form. By now, something remarkable has happened. The birds are no longer simply moving litter. They are deliberately trying to get objects into the opening. Not perfectly, not every time, but intentionally. That is a very important difference. Now we make the task slightly more difficult. Instead of placing litter directly beside the hole, we move it into a small wooden bowl, around 30 centimeters away. For the first time, the birds must collect an object, carry it to the platform, and place it into the opening, and remarkably, they do. In stage 4, the challenge increases once again. The litter is moved onto the balcony floor and into the planters, 1 to 2 meters away. The birds now have to search before returning to the machine. Bottle caps dropped. Reward earned. The connection has become unmistakable. And beyond that lies our ultimate goal. Stage 5. No litter is provided at all. If the birds want a peanut, they'll have to find discarded rubbish for themselves. Can wild corvids really learn to clean up the world around them? We're about to find out.